Hello, and welcome to the Positivity Project. I'm Melissa Killingbeck, the Curriculum Manager for P2, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to lead you on a brief tour of our Tier 1 daily lessons and present a third grade sample lesson. Navigating our daily lessons is a breeze. All 39 weeks worth of Tier 1 daily lessons are accessible from our resource menu or our P2 calendar. By clicking on the current week, classroom teachers will quickly access grade level specific links to that week's character strength lessons. For this current week, I will select a third grade lesson. P2's pre-K-12 differentiated lessons are delivered via Google Slides and are designed to be engaging for students with little to no prep for teachers. Classroom teachers use these off-the-shelf lessons for teaching character every day in 15 minutes or less. Join me on a quick scroll through this week's slide presentation, and you will see that all of the lessons needed for this week are found right here. Each week's lessons follow a simple 5-day format and include the research-based sequential components of understand, engage, and reflect. Days 1 and 2 include lessons designed to help students build a foundational understanding of the character strength or other people mindset meaning through vocabulary support, real-world examples, and guided discussions. Days 3 and 4 include lessons that engage students through short activities designed to deepen their understanding by connecting concepts to their own lives and the world around them. These activities are designed to require little to no prep for teachers. Usually teachers can pull them up and do them right along with the students. Day 5 provides students with an opportunity to reflect on and write about what they've learned over the week. As an added convenience, you will find P2 Reflection Journal PDFs linked to the Day 5 lesson each week. Following Day 5, weekly slide decks will always include one virtual lesson and 2 to 3 additional optional lessons that teachers can use at their discretion throughout the week. Now, let's dive into the Grade 3 Day 1 lesson. Perseverance. Let's think about what you know about the character strength of perseverance. What do you think perseverance means? At this point, I would probably invite students to turn and talk to an elbow partner and share anything they know or they think they know about perseverance. Here, we're activating students' prior knowledge. After giving students a short time to talk, I would bring them back and select 1 or 2 students to share with the class. Next, we have the definition. The definition of perseverance is you never give up, even when things get hard. Followed by a quote. Albert Einstein, a famous physicist, said, "A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new." What do you think this quote means? If students are connecting the meaning of perseverance, they would probably mention that often we try something new. It takes failing several times before we're successful. Then the teacher might ask how this quote connects to perseverance, and students would probably respond that perseverance helps us not to give up when we're trying new things and it gets hard. Next, we're going to watch a short video that will help students deepen their understanding of perseverance by giving some real-life examples.
Today, we are going to be talking about perseverance.
Yes!
That was a very excited reaction. Were you waiting to talk about perseverance?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of the word perseverance?
Well, I heard a word of it. I just don't know what it means.
Okay.
That's all.
This is a big word, so let's practice saying it.
Perseverance. Perseverance? Perseverance. I actually talked about perseverance yesterday.
In class?
In class. It was the word of the day.
So what does it mean?
I forgot. I forgot.
So if you have perseverance, do you see something through to the end, or do you just quit?
You see right. You see something through the end because it's like not giving up.
Right, exactly.
I had to jog my brain for a second.
Can you think of other parts of perseverance?
Yeah, like determination.
Yeah, I think determination is a lot like perseverance.
It means trying your best, never giving up.
That's a very good explanation.
I think that perseverance means when maybe things don't really go your way, but you keep trying and trying, you don't give up, you just keep going.
And?
Practice.
Yeah. So why is practice important?
Because you won't get better unless you keep practicing.
Right.
So what did you just start doing?
Ballet,
Uh-huh.
when I kept on trying and trying with ballet, then I did the Nutcracker audition and I got into the Nutcracker.
That's right. And did you have to practice to get into the audition?
Yeah.
So how much did you practice?
A lot. I have to go to practice now 4 times a week. It's taking up a lot of my time and I worked really hard for it.
But remember the first day you did the audition? You came home and you were like, this is so hard. You said, nope, I'm not going to give up. Now it's getting a little easier?
Yeah, a little.
It's fun watching you like work hard like that. And you're going to be the front of the bumblebees. How cool is that?
All that perseverance paid off.
Absolutely.
Next, we have questions for the class, which are discussion questions designed to allow the teacher to check for understanding. Can you think of a time in your own life that you demonstrated perseverance? Can you give an example of someone that has demonstrated perseverance? Why is it important in life to keep trying? You will note that the next slide brings us to day 2, and we have completed our P2 lesson for the day. Thanks for joining me on this tour of our Tier 1 daily lessons and our Grade 3 Perseverance sample lesson.